I want to talk a little bit about the couple of projects that are in the city of Stevens Point. Most of them have been reported on in area media, which is important. I think by now most people are aware that Key Mobility is planning a major development on the east side. We're very pleased that they selected the city of Stevens Point. In the next couple of years, that will be 170 new jobs on top of the 75 to 80 that are currently here. We're very pleased and are grateful that they have selected the city of Stevens Point and look for that development very soon here in the city of Stevens Point. We're currently working with the University of Wisconsin-Stevens Point on a rather exciting project to put a new college they're creating. It's not a new college, a new program. Sorry, Dean Marty Loy. And when Dean Loy sees this, he's going to go, we're not creating a new college, Mayor. But Dean Marty Loy will be leading a new initiative where the University of Wisconsin-Stevens Point is partnering with UW-Milwaukee on a doctoral program in physical therapy. That program will be housed with other wellness and health programs in the Mid-State campus. Now that's a logical place for that program to be. Of course, for decades, the Mid-State Vocational College was in that building. But I would report to the community, we're continuing to work on it. And yes, that is a lot of work. You have a city-owned building that's on deeded parkland. I mean, if you stop and think for just a moment, you have in that same area, you have the Park and Recreation Center, you have the municipal swimming pool, you have the Willett Arena, you have municipal practice fields. So when you are dealing with deeded parkland on city land, there's a lot of work. A lot of legal work, a lot of land description work, but we're continuing to work here at City Hall very hard. And in the month of January, I'll be reporting to the City Council on our series of recommendations and ideas for moving this project forward. I think everybody agrees it's an exciting project, but like most projects involving different units of government, it takes a lot of time, a lot of staff hard work to get it done, but we're continuing to work on that. We also are aware that the Boys and Girls Club within the last few days have formally unveiled their public campaign to raise money for their new project that's going to be built basically adjacent to the existing Park and Recreation building on Michigan Avenue. It was a very pleasant surprise to learn the other day that they have already raised over 90% of their $4 million plus goal. And it was, again, an expression, I think, of how this community feels about embracing projects like that and how important that is.